y'all. Hold on. Well, she right here, actually. But that's a small picture. Let me show y'all my mommy right quick. Let me show y'all my mommy. Let me see. You know what? I'll just get the picture. Hold on. This is me and my mommy. I miss this lady. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Did that work? Oh, that's me and my mommy. Bobby Jean. Bobby Jean. Y'all hear me talk about her all the time. And my dad, let me see. I don't want to show y'all everybody's picture because you know how some people can be. I got, you know what? How about this picture? Let me see. How about this one? Because, let's see, that one right there. So that's my mom, my dad, my sister that I lost, and Alexis when she graduated. How about that? Because, you know, people be like, what you put me on your channel for? What you put me on your channel for? So I try to be respectful, y'all, of the people. So anyway, that's part of my family. That's part of my family. And yeah, it's been hard. So anyway, Ian Grip says like a pro. Yes, that's how we notarize. Trust what she says. Thank you, Lori. Appreciate it. Like a pro. Deanna says, thank you. You're welcome. Deanna says, give me until Saturday to register for the class, please. Oh, girl, take your time. We're going to be here. We are going to be here. You do not have to rush. We are going to be here. The sooner you get started, though, the sooner you can start, you know, get that business going. But yeah, we'd love to have you, okay? And take your time and read the descriptions at notaryeducators.com, the $27 plan and the $47 plan. Now, the best part about it is we all meet together every week. Boom, boom, boom. And nobody knows which plan you're in. It ain't no banner behind saying, I'm in the $47 plan. I'm in the $27 plan. Nothing like that. Nobody even knows who's who, you know. So yeah, take your time, okay? We'll be looking for you. S. Thompson says, if you notarize for divorce forms on the same date, but at different times, do you use the same acknowledgement on forms or add a certificate? If you notarize for forms on the same date, but at different times. I never really had it happen on the same date because if it's the same date, they're at the same location has been my experience. I'd have to see the certificate actually too, because there may be separate certificates for them. Sometimes it'll say and like John Smith and Judy Smith appeared before me. So if I knew I was going right around the corner, I probably would use the same one. Yeah, I probably would. But again, it's too many variables for me to give you a definite because I need to see the certificate. Okay. And I don't get in the habit. I'll give you one more tip on that one too, S. Thompson, is we don't get in the habit of just adding certificates. That's what everybody wants to do. Just add a certificate. Just add a certificate. No. Typically, when someone gives you a document, they want that document notarized and stamped. I see people do it all day long. Well, my stamp is too big. It doesn't fit. The state knew that when they prepared that document. Here in Georgia, we have when someone's buying a car, transferring a title, there's 5 pages that need to be notarized most of the time. 5. They're carbon copies is the word. And you have to lift up each one. And the stamp really doesn't fit. The stamp really does not fit. So what I have to do is go on the side, right? But I'm not going to add a certificate to that because if I do that, that document will be rejected with the state of Georgia. They're not going to take it. They are not. So in our world, it's like, oh, let me add a certificate. Let me add a certificate. Let me add a jurat. No. Because again, most people, whoever gave them the document, they're expecting that document to be notarized. So when we start adding and stapling, and I even had an incident, actually with the same client I'm about to tell you about last night, this third client. I even had an issue, and it's happened to me before because I love putting my gold seal on certain stuff. And I put it on another document, and it was too big. So me and my brilliance, I said, well, let me fold it. Duh, that looks so chintzy. It was crazy. It was just one of those days, right? I be having so much on my mind, y'all. I have so much on my mind. My mother used to be like, take some of this stuff off your mind, girl. You gotta relax your mind. So anyway, short version. So I had to redo the document. So instead of putting the gold seal, I just crimped it because the person was looking like, is that a notary stamp? That's all you need? So that's another reason why I was adding the seal that day, because they were looking like, that don't even look like a real notary. I mean, you know what I mean? Because they're used to the gold seal and all that and all the embosser and all that. So anyway, so I meant at separate times. Yeah, I understood your question. I hope I answered it correctly for you. So again, don't get in the habit of just, adding acknowledgments and jurats on documents. Please don't. And I see it all day long. I just add an acknowledgement. I just added you. No, you don't just add nothing. You need to know what you're doing. Can you imagine baking a cake and you be like, well, and I've done this before. You might want to I'll just add some raisins to it. Well, raisins might change the whole consistency of the cake. You don't just add something because you think you want to add it. We got to know why we're doing stuff. That's why everything is a process. Everything is a process. So we don't just guess. We don't just do it. Well, I think that'll work. Nah, why are you doing it? So I'm the right person because I'd be like, why are you doing that? Yeah, ask. Everything is a teaching lesson. Ms. Rose says, I read the book for Florida. I'm moving there in January. Well, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'll be talking about my book. Thank you. Moving there in January. I'm kind of at a standstill until I'm relocated so that I can apply for the commission. Is there anything else I can do between now and then? Well, I'll be honest with you. I would love for you to go ahead and start training, right? But I wouldn't recommend it because what if you get there, you change your mind? I always say, go ahead and get everything you need. I'm not going to just tell you to join my mentorship because I want you to join. When you join, I want you to be ready. So what does that look like for me? I would have you just continue to read. You can go ahead and order, I think it's online, your Florida state handbook. You might can get that from the state of Florida. Start reading that about notaries, what they can do. And then after you actually get in Florida and you actually get your commission, then double back and we'd love to be part of your training, okay? But yeah, because you might get there and say, well, you know what? I thought I wanted to be a notary. I've been paying Kimmi for 3 months now, and I'm not going to be a notary. Now you mad at me. No. That's why I'm like, just wait. I get that question a lot. Can I go ahead and join? I don't have my stuff yet. I compare to, I always got an illustration. You got this car, right? You got a car, but you don't have a driver's license. What if you don't pass the test? What if you never pass the test? That happens. Sometimes people want to be doctors and they're going to go, or attorneys. And they say, well, I know I'm going to be an attorney. No, you don't know that. You do not know that. You pray that, you hope that, you wish that. But until you actually take the test, you're not an attorney. You're not a doctor. Nurses, they spend years in school, but until you take the boards, you're not a doctor. You're not a nurse. Okay? You're not anything till you got a piece of paper in your hand. And I'll go even one more with you. Yeah, I like this guy. We've been dating for a couple years, and he told me we're going to get married, and I'm really looking forward to it. He told me it's going to happen in January. Am I starting to move all my stuff into his house? No. No and no. Right? Now, I will be fully transparent with y'all. When me and Jeffrey was dating, we was getting married. Like everybody said they get married, right? And we did buy a car together. Now, if I had that to do over again, I would not. It was like 2 months before the wedding. It was like 2 months. Then we bought the car in June. We got married in August. June, July, August. Yeah, I think we bought the car in June and we got married. We could have waited 2 months. We could have waited. But what if it didn't work out? You know what I'm saying? Now I'm stuck on this car payment with you. So no, I don't make decisions like that. I just wait. Wait till you have the piece of paper in your hand. Wait till you get, pass your Florida test. I think Florida has a little test. Wait till you do all of that. And then we're going to be here. We've been here. We'll be here, God willing. I always say that because it's not up to me to just say what's going to happen, right? But yeah, so just take your time. Again, we'll be here. So even for you, I would just say read your Florida handbook. I think you can download that for free. Now, we have to pay for ours, but I think you can get yours for free. That's where I would start. And just pump the brakes. Just wait. Wouldn't buy anything else. Oh, thank you, S. Thompson. Yeah, it's my mommy and my family. Yeah, I missed them. Missed them a lot. Deanna says, where can I purchase your books and mentorship? NotaryEducators.com. Yep. NotaryEducators.com. Everything you need. There's a book selection and a journal selection. The two main mentorships are there, either startup or all inclusive. So just take your time and join us. It would be a pleasure to have you. Thank you so much, Lori. Yeah, gorgeous family. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Alethea. I appreciate y'all. You're welcome, S. Thompson. Yeah, that's my mommy and my daddy and my baby sister. That was my baby sister I lost. That was Alexis's mom. Yeah, that was her mom. But I always say, everything I am is because of them. And I had a friend, she wrote that to me after I lost my dad. She was like, well, she had been through some stuff too. And she said, well, some kind of way she put it, it's not exact, but the most beautiful thing is the legacy that he left in you. And when you see me, you see my parents. Everything I am, everything I do is because of them. And it's very few people that can actually even be proud of that sometimes. And did they get on my nerves? Heck yeah. Did I get on their nerves? Yes. But we were friends too. They wasn't just my parents. So when I first lost them, it was a trip. But this is not that channel. We ain't going there today. Okay. Miss Rose says, yes, your book, LLL. Sorry. Okay, thank you, Miss Rose. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, so you got your plan now. So just kind of wait till you move to Florida and get everything together. Lori's saying amen. Any last minute questions we have? I'm gonna start wrapping this up. But as soon as I do, usually more people join. So any last thing we want to talk about? So mentorship, again, you got 2 entry points, $27 or $47. The courses you can feel free to purchase individually if you're not going to be in mentorship. Now, don't buy the courses if you're in mentorship, okay? You don't have to buy the courses if you're in mentorship, because sometimes people will do that. Once you're in the all inclusive plan, you get everything, right? But if you're not going to join anything today, and you don't have to join again today, join when you want to. But when I said today, I just meant I was just talking. But you don't have to purchase anything today. But what I'm saying is, don't purchase the courses, and you have access to them via the membership. That's the point. Okay. Bye, honey. Have a profitable day. You too. You too. Okay. So, in grip, see you later. Yeah. So you don't have to buy the individual, but if you're going to go individual, you can get the 70% off coupon code, which is Friday. Okay. And that's at notaryeducators.com. What last minute things can I assist you guys with? What other questions? If not, I'm going to hop over, I think, on my actual group for a few minutes and say hello. Okay, guys, I'm going to say bye over here, and I'm going to jump over in a mentorship program just for a few minutes and say hi. Okay, bye, guys. NotaryEducators.com. Thanks for hanging out with me. Some of you, I'll see you soon in mentorship. The other ones, I'll see you on my live tomorrow. Just don't know what time yet, okay? Bye.